हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू सिविल फॉर इंजीनियर्स। दोस्तों, आज हम जो टेस्ट देखने वाले हैं वो एफिशिएंसी टेस्ट जो पीटी और स्ट्रैंड्स के ऊपर किया जाता है। और ये कब किया जाता है, कहाँ किया जाता है, कितने इंटरवल में किया जाता है, हम देखेंगे आगे इस वीडियो में। तो बनी रहिए वीडियो को देखिए एंड तक। थैंक यू।
Sir, this is the test for the monojack. We will check the efficiency of the monojacks. Actually, the efficiency should be more than 95%. This will be done for every 6 months, and this is called back-to-back jack efficiency test. We will check the efficiency of the two jacks by keeping them face to face with connecting with a single HT strand. And in this efficiency, we will connect two power packs with two monojacks. And while doing the efficiency, first we will start the power pack, and it is named as passive because while we are giving the load on the power pack 1, it is called as active power pack, and which is the load we are checking on the other side, that is the passive. So while we are checking for one power pack with one monojack, that is the active power pack, and in that active power pack we will give load 50 kg per centimeter square, and the loss which is in the jack can be checked in the other passive power pack, so that once we give any 50 kg per centimeter square on the other passive power pack, it will shows 50. If there is any loss in the jack, it will shows 45, 46 based on the losses in the jack. Like that we will check 50 kg, 100 kg, 150 kg based on the maximum load which we are applying at the time of stressing. Till that maximum load we will check the power pack efficiency, this jack efficiency, and we will give the load in the power pack based on that. So in the active power pack we will give the load till the stressing pressure, how much we are doing at the time of stressing. So based on that, in this project our maximum stressing is 4 kg per centimeter square. So based on that we are giving 4 kg per centimeter square, and the losses in the intervals we will check on the passive power pack, and based on that we will note down the readings and we will calculate it. Same way we will check for the other jack. At that time we will make the other power pack as active and beside power pack as passive. Same way the test will be done for the other monojack also.
Okay, one more question. Like this is a particular dia for the strand.
Yes, sir.
Is that load what you are applying will be different for every strand diameter?
Yes, sir. Actually, load differs from the ram area will be there in the jack, sir.
Okay.
So based on that ram area, the load differs. At the same time, as you said, that is also correct, sir. Based on the strand dia also, the load will be different.
Okay.
For in this project, if we go for 12.7 mm dia, sir, for that strand the load is 380 kg per centimeter square.
Okay.
That means each strand we are applying 14 tons 14 tons for each strand. If we go for 15.2 mm, we are giving 530 kg per centimeter square. That is 20 ton for each strand.
Okay. So for particular this project, we are applying
Yes,
what
sir.
you said, that is the load for
Yes, sir, that is the load. 380 maximum 105% 400. 530 kg per centimeter square, and for 15.2 maximum load is 550.
What are the various diameters of the strands? Can you just brief us?
Usually we will use in buildings and bridges 12.7 and 15.2 only, sir. Less than 12.7 they will use for sleepers. That is it will be some 11.2 mm something it will be there, sir.
Okay. So this equipment hole and all this will remain the same everything.
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Yes, sir.
Is this what pressure you are applying? For an example, this pipe is there. What hydraulic?
Yes, sir.
pressure
Hydraulic
pipe?
hoses. Yes, sir.
Yes, this is there. If its length increases,
Yes, sir.
is there any deflection in the power?
No,
what
sir,
you
no
are
losses
applying?
will be there.
Nothing will be
Actually,
there.
the hoses which we are using, that is more than factor of safety is 3, sir.
Okay.
So based on that we are using. If the length varies, the time taking, the oil carrying capacity will be, time taking will be more, but load will carry same load, sir. There will be no difference in the load.
So overall PT calculations will remain same.
Same, yes, sir.
Only if the dia changes, the load what you are applying, that will be changed.
Yes, sir. And the master wedge which we are keeping in the monojack,
Yeah,
sir,
yeah.
that master wedge dia also changes. For 12.7 mm we will keep 12.7 mm master wedge. For 15.2 mm we will give 15.2 mm master wedge. Only that inner part master wedge only we will change. Remaining everything will be same.
Okay. So after doing this test, what is the validity of this test you carried out?
6 months, sir.
6 months.
Every
So
6 months we have to check the calibration.
Okay. If in between something happens to the machine or to the jack, so
Again we have to check.
again
it.
you have to
Yes.
check the
Yes, sir.
calibration for
If
that.
in the between any overhauling or maintenance we have done,
Uh-huh.
based on that again we have to check the efficiency of the jack.
Okay. Okay. So this is the final check what we do before going for a stressing.
Stressing,
For
yes.
every 6 month interval we have to do
We
it.
have to do,
If
yes.
any overhauling is there, some changes
Again we
are
have
there,
to
again
do.
we have to do.
Yes.
Some hose pipe damage or something like that.
Yes, sir. If any overhauling we have done for monojack, then again we'll go for the efficiency test because it may change.
Okay.
If we are changing any internal parts like O-rings or we are changing any master wedges, there will be no efficiency change, sir.
Okay.
Only if we change any O-rings or any internal parts if we change, then only we'll go for efficiency.
Okay. So this is the major test for calibration of equipment
Yes, sir.
in PT.
Yes, sir.
Is there any other test related to this so that we can get any suppose something is there like this we are doing an test and we are calibrating the machines.
Yes,
Any
sir.
other process is there to do this?
Actually, to do this, since it is in site with the available machinery, we are going this one, sir.
Yeah.
If we send these monojacks to the manufacturer,
Yeah.
he will check with the load sensor, sir. It will be
Okay.
they are having one test bench. In the
Okay.
test bench, they will having one test tube, and test tube will be connected to the sensors. So
Okay.
based on the sensors, the load will be checked and the efficiency will be calculated.
Okay.
Since we don't have any that major sensors, everything here, we are going on this conventional method.
Okay, okay. Okay, Naveen. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.